Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I am going to show you today how to pay with a Capitec virtual card. So let's jump in. I'm in the Capitec app right now, and I'm recording like this because the Capitec app does not actually allow the screen recorder. So let us go first into the bottom where it says cards, and we're going to tap on that. And once we have tapped on that, you can see that you have your card, and right at the top on the right hand side, just over here, you will see it says virtual. Now you're going to tap virtual, and here it says you can add a free virtual card. You can start transacting immediately with your Capitec virtual card. So what you have to do is tap on add virtual card, and over here you can set 3 limits. The first one is your cash withdrawal limit. Okay, so this is when you are withdrawing cash with your card, and we are going to make that 1,000. We can now also change the card machine purchase limit. We're going to make that 1,000 as well. And then your online scan to pay, or scan to pay with your phone. This can be a little bit less. It depends on what your needs are. I'm just going to go in and make it 100. Alright, we're going to tap on next. And here you have to agree to the details, as you can see here. So you're going to tap this and that, toggle them on, and tap on accept. Now, what's going to happen when you're done here is you are going to add this card as a virtual card. Now, what's going to happen is when you want to make a payment, you are going to put your phone to the card machine as if you were tapping your card, and you are going to open up this window, and then your card will be displayed on the screen, and you're going to hold it down on the card machine and make payment. If this was helpful, you can go ahead, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.